the people don't realise how powerful these consumer grade tools are because they don't actually pay for them, and it is quite expensive to buy them all. But here we have an example of SuperGrok. So let's say if I was going to buy a Chinese SUV on the Australian market today, create for me a comparison criteria that I might want to review the decision by. Let's start with that. So now it's actually doing car sales, cars guide, YouTube, DLFI. It's searching for all the brands and models on my behalf. It's even got Xpeng and Zeekr, popular with MG, BYD, GWM, Haval. Criteria should cover fuel type. Now it's creating my criteria. Engine specs, power, safety ratings. Hardcore. Okay. Write me a list of all the available models, vehicle models by manufacturer. Okay, so it's pulling down all the SUVs. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say, go and do the hardcore research and build me a HTML website that compares the vehicles from highest rated to lowest rated and provide tabular data with all the information I need to make the comparison. Go full hardcore for all of the vehicles. Okay, so we're going to do the research. Put it on auto. I should upgrade to heavy, but it's a lot of cash. It's like $300 a month. Okie dokie. It's planning the research approach. It's getting a comprehensive list of SUVs. Customer reviews. 15 other sources. Pulling data down from Reddit. Productreview.com.au. It's going to pull all this data for me. And I reckon if I did this in an agent, it would go even harder. There should be a CLI version of Grok coming out soon. So if I just go, is there a CLI version of Grok coming soon? So the cool thing about this is you're actually okay. There's nothing formal from them yet. So X is really cool because you can go and search within X. Alright, so we're compiling the model list. This could actually go for a number of minutes. But the people that say that this is not reasoning, in my opinion, are quite stupid. See how it comes out. And if I don't like what I get, I'm going to hardcore push it into an agent and say expand on it. So the cool thing about doing the call to say in HTML is it will actually format everything for you. So you can get it like a visual and it creatively works on that. You get a much better outcome than if you just do text. And if you want to run the HTML, you just press preview here when it's finished and you'll be able to see what it is. There's also a way to obviously host that if you want to share that with somebody else. HTML also copies and pastes really well. If you render it on a web page, you can copy and paste it into, say, Google Docs, and it will just paste in really nicely. So, the context window of these models, I think this model's, if it's Grok 4, I think it's 1 million tokens now. So you can get, quite deep analysis done now. It's not like Copilot, which I think is about 8,000, or it was. It's absolutely hopeless. The speed of this is fantastic. This is pumping it out. I think that's Elon's strategy. It's like Altman's got 400 million users or something. So that's used 253 web pages to create that. There we go. So it's actually pulled down. Interesting. So it's actually created a list and it's ranked them. It's actually ranked them and pulled all the data down. And I'll just show you something cool. If you were buying one of these cars, which would you pick based on what people on X are saying? Check this for cool. So now it has the context of all this stuff, all of the data. But what we're also going to do is we're going to look at, so this is kind of like the data, but what we're going to do is we're actually going to go out and get external X opinions. And so this is where Elon talks about the singularity, because you're starting to connect perception and commentary. That's why I really think you should get on X. You should just start posting. It's really important. So we're looking at all the reviews. Xpeng seems quite popular. Xpeng stands out as undercutting competitors on price and premium features like metallic paint, 20-inch wheels, advanced tech, air driving assist. Uses highlighters, rapid charging, smooth handling, and growing sales momentum, 1,000 units per month. Strong under the radar contender. It's not without competition, the BYDs. Handling, efficiency, drawbacks and comparisons. C-line, hybrid efficiency, due to mixed reactions. Yeah. So I won't make the video go any longer, but you see the power. This is just a consumer tool. I just built an entire comparison on that, and I'm not using an agent. It looked at 240 sources. Yeah, so check that out.